Hello everybody and welcome. I am Melissa with TCT Crafts, Designs and Decor, and I'm so glad that you're here on my channel today. We are going to be doing something super easy. I promise you can do this one. It is a really easy, simple floral design. We are just using 3 products. We are using 2 hydrangeas and 1 greenery. Can you believe it? Just 1 greenery, but we're making this super easy hydrangea arrangement. This is perfect for like neutral home decor. Perfect as we transition from winter into spring. This could be used all year long. So I think you're going to enjoy this super quick tutorial. I'm going to go ahead and drop you guys down and we're going to get started. Okay, so we are going to make our arrangement in this wooden dough tray. I don't even know how you say it, y'all. It's a wooden thing, okay? It's a wooden container. I use them all the time, so I love my dough bowls. This one is more of a tray. It's rectangular, but we are going to make our arrangement in this. And we are going to go in first with these really pretty green hydrangeas. This is going to be a hydrangea arrangement. And I am going to cut this down pretty short. I want these pretty low. So this is going to be, I'm going to have these down in here. I may have to get my scissors. So I have already in my container put some gaps and cracks, which is just spray foam, and just lightly covered it with some moss. I'm going to get that down in there. I'm trying to see if I want it even lower, y'all. I wanted a very low design. So I'm going to cut it down just a tiny bit more. Perfect. So almost sitting on that foam, but just not quite. All right, so I'm going to go in with 3 of these guys. So again, I'm going to cut the leaves off of this. You might get those added back in a little bit, but for now, we're going to leave them off. Now these have some thick stems on them. There we go. Okay, let me get my scissors. Before I glue it, I want to make sure this is where I want it, and it is, I think. But before I glue it, let's get this last one in there. I should have done it. I should have done that on the first one, not glued it until I make sure I had my placement right, but that's okay. I think this one could come over just a tad. So I'm going to pull that out. The glue is still, I'll have to get my scissors. The glue is still sticky, but that's okay. There we go. And this one I'm going to move over just a hair. So I'm glad I didn't glue that. Okay, that is better. A little bit more evenly spaced. So I'm going to hit that now. Hit them with some glue. This is going to be an easy and quick arrangement. Not too difficult. So now I'm going to go in with some white hydrangeas. Or cream, I guess, they're cream. So this particular stem, we don't have in stock anymore, but we have another one, another white one, which is just as beautiful. Looks almost the same, just a little whiter than, this one's a little more cream. So I'm gonna put this in there, right there. Again, I'm going to save the leaves. We'll come back to them if we decide to add them. I'm going to go diagonal on this side with this one. I think I like that. So what I've done is just 1, 2, 3, 4, just diagonal. We could go in on the ends if I had another one of these, but I don't. I only have 5. So I don't want to put one here and not have one over here. So we're going to just make it work with the 4. I really wish I had another one. That's okay. So let's go in. Let's see if we want to add our little leaves back. I don't know that I like these leaves, y'all. They're not my favorite. But if you wanted to save on greenery, you can just tuck these little leaves in there. See, you could just tuck your little leaves all the way around. Let me just show you. So you could just tuck your leaves all the way around and call it a day. You'd be good to go. But I'm not a huge fan of these, so I am gonna leave them out. Now I brought in some berries. Trying to see if I want to add them. I don't know that I do. I think I just want to keep it very simple, just very full, nice hydrangea wreath. So I think we're just going to add some greenery. Now we could cut this hydrangea up to add in filler. If you wanted to go more all the way around with this, y'all, let's just play. I just got this one left anyway, and I know that I am not going to just use one of anything. So let's cut these little buds up. And then I can just get little pieces. We can use it to kind of fill in. So I just kind of tucked them in between without using a whole hydrangea. We're using the baby bits. And then we'll tuck in some greenery. And this is going to be an easy peasy design. Got one little piece left. I think I'm going to put it next to this one because it was a little skimpier. Alright, let me hit those with some glue. I just want to make sure I liked it in there before I did that. And I do. I think it looks better. Alright. Let's add some greenery. I think I'm going to go I don't like the color of that green. So, what else do I got on my table over here? We have some chickaboo. I have to put put it on a pick. I was trying to see if I can get it in that foam without the pick. Can't do it. Add some little greenery in there in between. So let me get another. Y'all, don't come at me. But I'm chunking these leaves. I'm chunking them, y'all. I don't like them. All right. So I'm going to go in now with another one. See if I can get it in there without the pick. Now I'm going to go. What do I add a diagonal? This is perfect for somebody who just wants a very, I'll just pour the leaves off of that. Let me glue them back on. This is great for somebody who wants just a very minimal, earthy, everyday design. Very neutral. Totally my style, y'all. I love the greens and the creams and the neutrals. And I'm just kind of pulling those leaves down a little bit, getting them tucked in there. Stuck my leaves in. This leaf, let me see if I can play with it. I don't like that. The way it was kind of, it was having a dance party on its own, y'all. See if we can kind of tuck it in a little bit. When I'm pushing those leaves in there, I'm going towards the center of that foam. I'm not sticking it right on the edge. They're hanging off the edge, but the stem itself is going more in the middle of the design. So I don't want them sticking out too far. Okay, I think we are pretty much done. Look how simple and easy that was. Now I'm gonna go, I've got a little spot right there that could use a little bit of leaves just to help cover the foam. So I'm gonna add tiny bit more there. Better. Make sure I don't see foam anywhere else. I think right there could use a little lip, so I'm going to take just a tiny little piece. Okay, and I think underneath this flower needs a little love. So I'm going to take just a small piece. There we go. So easy peasy, y'all. Don't you guys think that you can do this? You can do this. I know you can. This is an easy one. So I showed you an easy design. I got one little spot right here in this corner that I'm going to add. I showed you a really easy design. We only used two different flowers and one greenery. Can y'all believe that? We only used one greenery. I hardly ever use one greenery, but this is super easy. We just used our green hydrangeas and our cream hydrangeas and made a very clustered hydrangea arrangement. Perfect for like everyday neutral home decor. So I think it turned out beautifully. I hope you guys enjoyed this super simple and quick arrangement. We would love to have you over in our designer circle group where we do more advanced designs, and we do centerpieces, arrangements, wreaths, swags, all the things. So if you are interested in learning more about silk floral design and working with silk flowers, we would love to have you over in our private design group. You can go to tctcrafts.vip, and we would love to have you over there. And if you are new to our channel, welcome. We would love to have you subscribe, hit that like and follow button, and you'll be notified every time we have new tutorials. So until next time, bye y'all.